Welcome to the Crestron Fusion software installation overview. This is the first video in a series of 3 designed to provide end users with the proper Crestron Fusion software installation as well as configuration information. In this video, we will cover design and management concepts for a successful deployment of Crestron Fusion. Crestron Fusion solves many challenges for the modern workplace, providing monitoring for room hardware, management for support equipment, and data aggregation for intelligent reporting. There are several things to consider for a successful Crestron Fusion system deployment. First, you must define the stakeholders in the project, both from the integration company and from the customer. The integration company must have a project manager in addition to the programmer, installer, network guru, and support personnel. The talents necessary from the customer include a project lead, someone that understands the scope of work. Additionally, various network specialists will be necessary. Server administrator, network administrator, SQL administrator, security administrator, and the scheduling administrator. Based on the size of the company, this could be anywhere from 1 to 5 different people. Next, you must actually involve the stakeholders in the project. When all the stakeholders have visibility of the project details, the likelihood of roadblocks during installation is greatly reduced. Please note there must be a scope of work for implementation of Crestron Fusion. I have seen bid specifications that only specify include Crestron Fusion. Beyond the standard information provided with the standard SSI modules within simple windows, the possibilities are nearly endless regarding what can be integrated with Crestron Fusion. The integrator and the end user must agree on what exactly is to be provided with the installation of Crestron Fusion. Now, on to the actual process of implementing Crestron Fusion. Communication is the key to an efficient installation and a happy customer. Start with the system design. This is a project all in itself. It needs a design meeting to cover what the customer needs and wants. Now that everyone understands the scope, the stakeholders need to be pulled together so that they all understand what each other is providing and/or what they need. Next is the actual server commissioning and software installation. Since all of the IT personnel were in communication with each other, this should be straightforward. Once the server is up and running, it's time to schedule the Crestron Fusion support group for the Crestron software installation. Note that all the IT/server configuration people should be on call for any changes that may be necessary. Please be sure to schedule the FSG support group ahead of time. Once the software is up and running, the Crestron Fusion interface needs to be set up and configured via the website. The final part of the installation and configuration is the validation of data reporting on the Crestron Fusion server. Run reports to test for accurate data. This has been part 1 of the configuration series for Crestron Fusion. Thank you.